Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best 26x2.125 tires is probably one of the most crucial components for any cyclist looking to optimize their riding experience, offering the perfect blend of grip, durability, and comfort whether you're navigating urban streets, tackling light trails, or simply enjoying a leisurely ride, directly impacting your bike's performance and your overall safety on every journey. Number 5. Heavy-duty 26x tubes. These heavy-duty inner tubes are designed for 26-inch bikes, fitting a wide range of tire sizes from 2.10 to 2.40 inches. They come with a reliable Schrader valve for easy inflation. Crafted for resilience, these tubes boast superior puncture resistance compared to standard options. Their thicker body endures more friction and wear, significantly extending their lifespan and reducing your maintenance needs. Thanks to a blend of high-quality butyl and EPDM rubber, their thickness is increased by 40%, boosting air tightness by 200%. This allows them to maintain optimal tire pressure for 6 to 9 months, enhancing your safety and reducing inflation frequency. They are perfect for mountain, road, cruiser, and electric bikes. Their enhanced thickness also supports the longer ranges and heavier loads often associated with modern e-bikes. Experience superior comfort with their excellent shock absorption. Made from heavy-duty butyl rubber, they effectively reduce vibrations and eliminate shocks from bumps, ensuring a smoother journey on any terrain. Designed for convenience, these replacement inner tubes are straightforward to install and remove. Remember to check the valve position to ensure correct installation. Before installation, we recommend checking them for any damage by submerging them in water. Always ensure the valve is correctly positioned and avoid sharp objects to prevent punctures. What we like. These tubes offer superior durability and air retention, significantly reducing maintenance. If you're an electric bike owner or carry heavy loads, their enhanced thickness and shock absorption make them ideal for longer, smoother rides. Choose them for unmatched reliability and comfort. What people say. No review content available in the source JSON to extract points from. No review content available in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 4. Hycline 26x2.125 Folding Beach Cruiser Bike Tire. Introducing the Hycline Folding Cruiser Tire, designed for your beach cruiser bicycle. It's a perfect replacement, fitting wheel sizes from 26x1.75 to 2.125 inches. Experience superior durability with this tire. A special protective layer under its tread offers 30% more strength and resistance against punctures, keeping you rolling smoothly. Its classic knobby tread provides excellent traction for a relaxed pedaling experience. This design ensures a smoother, rolling ride, ideal for easy trips around town. The tough carbon steel bead offers exceptional flexibility. This makes it incredibly easy to install, remove, or even fold away for storage without any damage. These tires are ultra-durable and crafted for your next adventure. They are designed to stand the test of time, ensuring reliable performance ride after ride. Upgrade your existing tires and cruise in style. They offer a blend of performance and aesthetics that will enhance your cycling experience. This tire comes in a 26x2.125 size and a stylish white color. It supports a PSI range of 40 to 65, ensuring optimal performance for your rides. What we like. This tire boasts a protective layer for excellent puncture resistance, keeping you on the road longer. If you're looking for easy storage or hassle-free installation, its folding design is incredibly convenient. It's perfect for casual rides around town, offering both peace of mind and practicality. What people say. Number 3. MOHEGIA 26x2.125 Bike Tire for Cruiser City Bikes. Introducing the MOHEGIA 26x2.125-inch bicycle tire. This classic replacement is designed for your beach cruiser or city bike, fitting tire widths from 1.75 to 2.125 inches. Its classic knobby treads provide excellent grip. You'll experience sufficient traction and control on various surfaces, from sandy beaches to uneven city streets. The smooth, wide design ensures minimal road contact. This makes it easier to pedal and get going, enhancing your overall riding experience. Featuring carbon steel beads, it offers extra safety and strength. This robust construction ensures a reliable and secure ride every time. This tire is easy to fold and carry, making it convenient for transport or storage. It's also versatile, suitable for both front and rear wheels. Available with white, brown, or black sidewalls, it meets diverse aesthetic needs. Choose the color that best complements your bike's look. This tire is an ideal replacement for your daily commuting needs. Its robust design and versatile features make it a reliable choice for everyday use. What we like. Featuring a classic knobby tread, this tire provides great traction while ensuring a smooth, easy pedaling experience. If you like to customize your ride's aesthetics, it comes with stylish white sidewall options. It's an excellent choice for city or beach cruiser enthusiasts seeking both performance and personalized style. What people say. Number 2. Classic white wall 26x2.125 cruiser bike tires. These classic 26-inch white wall tires are perfect for your cruiser wheels and beach cruiser bike. They are available with or without tubes, in single or two-pack options, and every order includes tire levers. Don't just replace, upgrade. These premium replacement parts offer a significant improvement over the products that came on your complete bike. We've been crafting quality bicycle products for over 20 years, ensuring a reliable and enhanced riding experience. Give your beach cruiser wheels a refreshing retro look. This timeless tread pattern and style have been tried and true since the 1950s. They bring a classic balloon wheel aesthetic to your bike. We provide everything you need for a reliable aftermarket upgrade. This includes optional premium inner tubes and high-quality, fiber-reinforced plastic tire levers that won't snap. Your satisfaction is our priority, backed by decades of experience. With over 20 years in the bicycle and fitness industry, we stand by our products. Our brand is built on unparalleled customer service. If you encounter any issues, we are here to ensure your complete satisfaction. What we like. Elevate your bike's look with its distinctive retro white wall design, a true aesthetic upgrade. If you're tired of frequent flats and want a reliable, high-quality replacement, this offers enhanced durability. Plus, the included premium tire levers make installation a breeze, adding great value to your purchase. What people say. Number 1. CST Beach Cruiser 241 Tire and Tube Kit. Get everything you need for your bike's wheels in one convenient package. This comprehensive kit ensures you're ready for any ride. Featuring durable wire bead construction, these tires are designed for all types of riding. They provide exceptional comfort and stability on your journeys. Each bundle comes with 2 tires, 2 bike tubes, 2 rim strips, and essential tire levers. It's a complete solution for your bike's needs. It typically includes Schrader valves for easy inflation. However, Presta valves are also available upon request to suit your specific preferences. These durable accessories make everyday maintenance simple and quick. They also add a stylish white wall look to your beach cruiser. These tires are precisely sized at 26x2.125, with a recommended PSI of 40. They are an OEM replacement, ensuring a perfect fit for your bike. What we like. This tire features a unique diamond tread pattern, providing a balanced blend of grip and a comfortable, stable ride. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for your bike's wheels, this bundle includes everything you need: tires, tubes, rim strips, and levers. It's the perfect all-in-one package for everyday cruising and easy repairs. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.